Hello guys, myself Sharan and my teammates are Naveen and Devi Padma. We are going to perform a video presentation based on the problem statement given. Our problem is based on developing a software or hardware prototype for managing the peak hours and traffic signals. As we see now, in these days the traffic control mostly in metropolitan city creates such a huge pollution. Mostly in urban areas, traffic congestion is a huge and constant headache, especially during peak hours when everyone seems to be on the same road at the same time. In sometimes, these traffic jams results in unavoidable road accident where also it causes some loss of lives. Also, during peak hours, traffic signals can also contribute to congestion by creating long queues of vehicles waiting for their turn to move. The number of vehicles is ever increasing while the city infrastructures are also developing parallelly at much slower rate. This management of traffic is a tougher and risk job, and not only the manual efforts are sufficient. They allow vehicles from different directions to take turns crossing an intersection, thus preventing accident and chores. Also, this results in often gridlock, frustration, and wasted time for people in day-to-day life. In this slide, I'm going to mention about the customers who involves in this problem. Like, as we all know, the meaning of customers is an individual or business that purchases the goods or service produced by a business. Also, in a traffic light control system, every individual is a customer as everyone gets services from the system in such a case with out of control. The upcoming topic that we are going to discuss is customer perspectives. Like the traffic signals works on three light signals, namely red, green, and yellow. First, the red light denotes the vehicle must stop before the zebra crossing. And the next, the yellow light indicates the vehicle must slow down. And finally, the third one, the green light gives signal to vehicles for going ahead. And also, seat belts are mandatory, which keeps fastened even if you have come to a off at a red light. If we see here, we are using traffic actuated signal where one can control or change the timing of the traffic light cycle. This cycle depends upon the strength of the queue and intensity of the traffic too. At instance, the green light might extend the time to clean the vehicles at the intersection for the long queue. Also, the timing can be changed for the pace of other lights, which may also depend upon the situation or stage. At midnights, these people can free to move except on some any instructional day. The traffic light system are switched off. From now on, my teammate Navin will carry on with it. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharan. Here onwards, I am continuing with the customer perspective. These traffic system will detect the vehicle movement on road. For example, once at a time, the lights are remain on with 10% intensity. When those vehicles pass by the lights ahead of it are switched on with 100% intensity, and these trailing lights revert again back to 10% intensity. This system can be used to save a lot of energy instead of using conventional system which used to consume more energy. In case of any emergency vehicle such as fire engine, police or ambulance stuck in the traffic jam, the system provides an option to the controllers to override any signal using flashing blue lights to pass through the signals, whereas others wait in the signal for the green one. This puts forth a traffic signal monitoring and also control system that can be operated remotely over the internet such as cameras, TV recorders, etc. from anywhere with manual override ability. The system aims for providing an effective and better solution to control those traffic signals according to the density of traffic jams at signal junction. Here, the green signal time requirement depends on the traffic density. Higher density traffic requires longer green signal than the one with low density. Hence, the system serves this purpose. By the information, users might know the traffic information from anywhere so that they can decide the right path to reach the destination in their perspective. Here, a signboard should be streamed to control proper speed on road, to set an automatic road blocker to maintain this automatic system. Also, this system is the movement of pedestrians so that they can easily to cross the road safely. From the simple warnings sign, we can control complex traffic by minimizing the risk of accidents at intersection in the system. Sensors are used as devices to measure the system traffic density. Also, it gives the information whether the traffic density is low or medium or high. Also, based on the traffic jams, it also adjusts and varies the traffic signals duration for the particular way. As we discussed in previous slide, the number of passing vehicles on the road which decides on the density range of traffic and also the basic of the vehicle count system which decides the traffic light delays. Traffic load and emergency vehicles are continuously measured by sensors connected to the system which perform all intersection control functions. With this, I will conclude my video presentation. Thank you.